We're getting some pretty big price fluctuations for Shiba Inu, and we do have the price going everywhere. But in the past few hours of trading, we do have a slow and steady increase of the floor value for Shiba Inu, and you do see that Shiba Inu is somewhat consolidating. Now, if you check out other coins, for example, Ethereum, these guys are still struggling below the $4,000 mark, which is the biggest floor value for Ethereum. And Ethereum was honestly on track to hit $5,000, but the general stock and crypto market took an absolute downturn. Yesterday, for example, Apple went all the way down. Today, same exact thing. Apple down 1%, 2% at one point. QQQ, SPY, they're all down a bunch. It's super bloody red, but the mere fact that Shiba Inu, being a meme coin, is supposed to go down the most, Shiba Inu is actually the coin that went down the least today. In fact, some might even argue that did Shiba Inu even go down today? Instead, that Shiba Inu did actually have some pretty good recovery values. So far, Shiba Inu is still hovering to its essential 3.3, 3.4 floor value. It's not going down any further. Compared to Ethereum, during really rough times, Shiba Inu tends to drop the least, which is a really surprising thing. I think it's honestly beating Ethereum at this department. Now, partly reason why it's doing so well is number one, it's going to the gaming industry, okay? The devs are announcing some of the biggest things, including a partnership with Play Studios, one of the biggest gaming companies in the world, which also used to partner with Disney for games, and they should be coming out with a very popular video game worth 7 figures within 8 months. And Shiba Inu will also be launching their first game on mobile, their first Shiboshi game, and that should also be very unique as well. And part of the reason why Shiba Inu tends to not go down as much is they do have a huge quantity of whales. Whales recently have been buying a Shiba Inu. Just look at the skyscraper volume right here. This volume with the really high spikes is way higher than the volume before, and you clearly see why. The volume is intensely high with crazy amounts of volume, crazy amount of big whales injecting massive amounts of cash. And these whales have actually ran the numbers and decided that Shiba Inu is the perfect chance to buy.